Hello, today I'm going to give a demo on how to use a rank function in Power BI. For this example, I have created a simple data set with some students' name and also the subjects and also the marks scored by each of the students in different subjects. So let me quickly share the Excel file. This is how my data set looks like. In the column A, we have the student, and column B, the subject, and C, the respective marks scored by each of the students in various subjects. So if you look here, you have Alex and also the marks scored in English, mathematics, science, similarly Carl, marks scored respectively in various subjects. Okay. So now let me quickly load this data into PBI. As you can see here, I have loaded the data. So, and I created a matrix here, and in the rows I have the student name and also the student marks. Student marks is nothing but the sum of the marks scored by the students. So I created a measure here. So now I want to rank the marks scored, rank students based on the aggregated marks. So what I'm going to do is let me create a measure called student rank. And click on new measure, and then let me call this as student rank equal to rank function, and then table. I'm going to give the name of the table, it is student table, and expression is student mark. So this is a measure, and then I don't want to enter any values here. And order, I want to rank the highest scorer to be the number one, so descending. And then ties, I'll come to the ties later. So for now, let me close the parenthesis and hit enter. So let me bring this new measure here. And as you can see here, it's not giving us the right results. What's happening is it's considering each student has a one separate entry record and then ranking it. Every single line has one rank. So what I'm going to do now is make a slight change here. I'm going to add the all function and then see, this is the student table, and then by student name. So I don't need this, and then close the bracket here and hit enter. So as you can see now, the ranking has changed. Let me sort this in the ascending order. Oops. So select here. So I want the topper to be one here. So as you can see, Jeff is the highest scorer and he's been ranked one. Carl 235 and 2. And if you go back to the bottom, Diana, she has the least of all these students and she's ranked 8. But a catch here, if you look here, right, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, and you can see 6 is skipped. So if you, so that's what we can make these changes here. So as you can see here, you have two options, the dense and skip. So if I give skip, what happens is like it'll skip. So this Alex and Matthew, they both have the same marks, and that's why they're ranked same 5, and the 6 is skipped, and directly it's going to 7. So if I make this to dense, just notice the difference here. So you have 5, and it did not skip 6, but it ranked 6 to Kenza. So that's how the skip function works, skip and dense works. So this is scenario 1, okay. So now let's take a scenario. Instead of students, you want to rank based on uh, the total marks scored, the aggregate marks scored by the subject wise, so English, mathematics, and science. And let's see which subject the aggregated marks is more. So now let me create a new measure and call it as subject rank, something like this, is equal to rank, and then I want to enter all table name or column name by subject. So I'm going to bring the subject, and then expression is student mark, and then order. I don't want to enter anything for values, so order again descending, and then close the parenthesis. And now if I remove this student here and then bring in the subject to the rows and then bring the subject rank here, you can see I'm getting the rank based on the total aggregated scores in each of these subjects. So that's how it works. So now let me remove this back and bring in the student rank here. Okay, and then remove the subject and bring in the students here. And now let's say if someone wants to look at the total marks scored by the students, let's say in English, who is the topper? You see, Jeff is still the topper, but the second rank goes to Ian. So similarly, if I want to select the mathematics, you can see 3 people are getting the same rank, one each, and then it's been skipped to 4th rank, Alex. So this is some of the interesting features. So you can modify your measures according to your requirements and then play around this function. So that's all about the rank function for now. Hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.